Oh my gosh! We are here at Meow at Omega Mart. This is here in Las Vegas. We've never been here and we can't wait to see it. I've seen so many TikTok and YouTube videos here. I gotta see it for myself. Let's go! Welcome to Omega Mart, where reality checks out. Open in 2021, this 52,000 square foot immersive art experience is unlike anything you've seen before. At first glance, Omega Mart looks like an ordinary grocery store, but hidden beyond the aisles are secret rooms, surreal landscapes, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Come join our family as we step through the portals and discover what makes Omega Mart one of the most unique attractions in Las Vegas. Okay, what the heck is this? As we're here, this is nuts. So this is our first time here, so we can't wait to see what they have here. While you're here at Area 15, it's inside. So here's the door we're going in. What the heck? To your left, Meow Wolf. Right here on the left side should be Omega Mart. Pretty excited to go here. Just waiting for the rest of the family before we head on in. If you've never been to a Meow Wolf experience, it is something you just gotta go see. Forget the YouTube videos, forget the Instagram videos. It is an experience you have to see live. We wanted to be one of the first guests inside, so we purchased tickets at 10:20 in the morning. At that time, tickets were $62 for adults and $57 for children. One thing we noticed is that ticket prices were cheaper during the afternoon and evening hours, so if you're looking to save a little money, it may be worth choosing a later entry time. So Addison, you can actually buy anything here, but the recommendation is you have to buy it after when you're done because you end up back here to get out. It's an actual store. They're geniuses here because you usually go to a gift shop and you buy all those things, but now they made it as part of the experience.
For healthy teeth and sick abs.
That's a big,
a big box for small toothpaste.
Oh, Melissa!
Melissa, you're... Ew, vegan goat plus.
All right, guys, we're going in. Oh my gosh, I'm in the freezer. Whoa. What is this dragon? Hope the dragon doesn't get us. One thing you'll quickly discover is that Omega Mart is much more than an immersive art exhibit. Hidden throughout the attraction is a mysterious story waiting to be uncovered. Keep your eyes open for clues wherever you go because things aren't always what they seem. The deeper you look, the more pieces of the mystery you'll begin to uncover. Okay, this girl is missing, Marion Dram. So let's see if we can find her as we walk around. My back!
You're gonna be disappointed when you find out there was a door.
Oh! That was way easier. So when you're here, there's multiple levels that you can go up to. So try to go up. Wish me luck. So what are the lost numbers? Oh, that's cool. Little buttons. So it's like a spaceship over here. It is a spaceship. Oh, no slide. While you're here, don't get distracted by all the lights because you might just miss a secret.
What's this?
Hey, I know you guys. Oh, my eyes. This is like... Oh, that is us. A whole new room. Whoa, what is this? Oh my gosh. Good morning. Are we allowed to go through there?
Why don't you try?
Melissa?
It's locked.
Ah!
It only opens from the inside.
Oh! So we have to figure out how to get over there. So there is not a linear path when you're here. So don't worry about like missing things. You just gotta keep going and going with the flow, and eventually you will discover amazing things. It's the girl that was missing.
Emergency clamps.
Yeah, we're still trying to figure out, I guess.
While you're here, you do a lot of walking. So good thing is they have little sitting areas where parents can chill while the kids are running around. I think we're getting pretty close to the end here. Oh, that's the Marin Dram. That's the girl that was missing. What's nice is we came here with a big group and everybody kind of just did their own thing, and eventually we would all end up running into each other. And there's Leon and the twins. Hey guys. Hi. You're famous. You know what Rosalie said? Rosalie said, it's House in the Rock. It's a portal to the House in the Rock. Make sure you look at the directory next to the phone because you'll find Miriam's phone number. Hey Miriam, I heard you're missing. It's her voicemail. This is nuts.
Oh look, there's a tunnel here, Carl.
Oh man, I'm too old for this tunnels.
You gotta climb.
That's her! That's her! That's her!
Hold on, I'm trying. I can't see. Oh my god, I'm too old for this. There's a rock. This is kind of dangerous. This is no joke.
I made it to the top. Ta-da!
It's my friend. He's there. And these weird and wacky adventures I take with my family, it's a great excuse to get everybody together. What is that creepazoid face? This guy looks suspicious.
New shoes, new move. I don't want the fake love on dailies. Like the way you touch, don't you play me. Want the kind that burns but saves me. New groove, new rules. Every night feels deeper, it's crazy. I don't feel the pressure, no lately. As soon as you come around,
Whoa! What is going on? This is something straight out of a movie. So make sure you keep going. It's easy to miss things and come in and out. I really love the secret compartments that it's really hard to find. Oh, what's happening to your face? Oh, look at my face. Before you head home, make sure to check out the secret data mosh bar hidden inside the cold drinks area. Guests 21 and over can hang out at the bar, while the younger members of your party can relax at the high-top tables just to the left. It's one of those hidden surprises that truly has a little something for everyone. Oh,
You guys following us?
yeah. We're like, we need a break. So here are the things you can buy at the Omega Mart. And seriously, you can actually buy it. Just wait till the end.
I'm gonna pay for this giant corn in the cob gummy. You can't put the rock. It's popcorn flavored.
We got romantic gesture, and we got some dolphin nuts. Dolphin nuts. Dolphin nuts.
Place is super fun. To me, it's way bigger than the Santa Fe one. Santa Fe one had more twists and turns, where this one was big. But something that Santa Fe doesn't have is the shopping center where you can actually buy stuff. So overall, I think with everything considered, I'm gonna have to give this 8.4. So if you're here in Las Vegas, check out Omega Mart. Click right here if you want to learn more about the Neon Museum right here in Las Vegas.